Hi, I'm Craig Seeman, the Green Party of the United States co-chair of the Animal Rights Committee, and we are very much in sync with the Humane Party and their principles. So we are working together to elect alternative party candidates here in New York City. Well, the most important possibility towards getting that in New York City is ranked choice voting. That is an abstract thing most people think can't happen here, but we are very close to getting that. I'll explain how that happens. First of all, for those of you who don't know, what ranked choice voting means, you simply get to rank first, second, third choice of your candidates. So you get rid of the stigma of split the vote, which as you heard earlier, Clifton talking about voting your heart. Well, now you can vote your heart. If there's a Green Party vegan who you want to vote for, you can. If there's a Humane Party candidate, you can list them second, or the other way around. List the Humane Party candidate first, and the Green Vegan candidates second. And just in case, because you don't want the forces of evil to win, your third choice could be the dominant party candidate running against the forces of evil. Now, because of ranked choice voting, what happens is even the dominant party candidate has to appeal to our voters. So whether we win or not, we force the issue. But under ranked choice voting, we can win because the stigma is gone. So how does that happen in New York City? Well, every so often we have what's called a city charter commission. This is the equivalent in New York of initiative and referendum. The charter holds a series of hearings and decides, based on public input, what they will put on the ballot. Well, this past fall, we had round one of the City Council Charter Commission hearing. And the Charter Commission hearing concluded we will have a second round, which will include a discussion on ranked choice voting for here in New York City. Those hearings, there'll be one in each of the 5 boroughs. You can go to any hearing. It doesn't have to be the one in your borough, and you can speak at more than one hearing. The next round of hearings are from April 30th through May 14th, so they're coming up. What we need to do is turn out people who speak. You will get 3 minutes. Everyone who shows up who wants to speak gets to speak. You don't have to worry about when you show up, but during the hearing time, you show up, you ask for your 3 minutes, and you explain that you want ranked choice voting to appear on the ballot in the November election, and you want it to be for the general elections going forward. All it will take is a good 15 to 20 people amongst these 5 hearings for the commissioners to consider putting on the ballot. So we need you to turn out so you can elect animal rights activists to office here in New York City, regardless of party affiliation. In order to find out about it, currently the Brooklyn Green Party are hosting events training people on ranked choice voting and how to testify. So just look for the Green Party of Brooklyn, and you'll land on that homepage and you'll find information about that. To find information about the New York City Charter, just look up 2019 citycharter.nyc. So with that, you can put animal rights activists in office with ranked choice voting, and one of the largest cities in the world will have a step forward towards creating animal rights parties in office in New York City. Thank you.